In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your map sensor on your Acura MDX located under the hood, under the engine cover. Let's get started. To start with, we're going to remove the engine cover. Just pop it off. And your map sensor is located on top of the intake, right next to the throttle body. The next step is going to be unplugging it. Just pull on the tab and slide out. Move the connector out of the way. With a Phillips screwdriver, in this case I'm using a number 3, we're going to take it out. Remove the screw. Wiggle the sensor out. And pull it straight out. There's your old sensor. Before we install the new sensor, we want to make sure we lubricate the O-ring so we don't damage it. Just put a little bit around it. Use your finger and get it all around. Now for installation, we're going to slide it right in. And reinstall the screw. If you can get a torque wrenching here, the torque spread is 2.6 foot-pounds. Don't forget to plug it back in. And now we're ready to install the engine cover. For this, you're going to line up the cover and push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.